Daily use 300 phrases. Hey, do you want to speak English confidently every single day? Do you want to stop translating in your head and start speaking naturally? Then this audio is just for you. Stay with me, listen carefully, and repeat after me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently, for more powerful daily English practice. All right, let's begin. Take a deep breath, relax, and speak with me. Part 1. Basic daily phrases. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I'm fine. I'm doing great. I'm okay. Not bad. What's your name? My name's... Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. What do you do? I am a student. I am working. I am learning English. Repeat again, slowly, clearly. Part 2. Conversation. What are you doing? I'm working. I'm studying. I'm watching something. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. No, I'm free. Let's go. Come here. Wait a moment. Just a second. I understand. I don't understand. Please say that again. Speak slowly. Can you repeat? Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Part 3. Common expressions. That's great. That's awesome. Really? Oh no. No problem. It's okay. Don't worry. Take care. See you later. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a good time. Now, let's go deeper. Part 4. Asking questions. Where are you going? What are you doing? Why are you late? When will you come? Who is that? Which one do you want? How much is this? How far is it? Can you help me? Could you please help me? Part 5. Daily action phrases. I'm going home. I'm coming. I'm leaving. I'll call you later. I'll text you. I'll be back. I forgot. I remember. I need this. I want that. I like it. I don't like it. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Part 6. Polite English. Please help me. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm really sorry. May I come in? Can I sit here? Part 7. Shopping and daily life. How much is this? It's too expensive. Give me discount. I'll take this. Do you have another one? I'm looking for this. Where can I find it? Part 8. Phone conversation. Hello? Who is this? It's me. Can you hear me? The line is not clear. Call me later. I'll call you back. Take a deep breath and continue. Part 9. Feelings and emotions. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I feel good. I feel bad. Part 10. Time and routine. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. I wake up early. I go to sleep late. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Let's practice faster now. Part 11. Quick daily phrases. Come on. Let's do it. Hurry up. Wait here. Follow me. Stop it. Try again. Keep going. Don't stop. Part 12. Confidence building. I can do this. I will try. I believe in myself. I am improving. I am learning every day. Remember, consistency is the key. Part 13, social phrases. Let's meet. Let's talk. Let's practice. What's up? How's everything? Long time no see. Part 14, agreement and disagreement. Yes. No. Maybe. I agree. I don't agree. You're right. You're wrong. You are now speaking real English. Part 15, daily small sentences. I am ready. I am coming. I am waiting. Let me see. Let me check. Give me time. Give me a chance. Practice these phrases every day. Listen again. Repeat again. And slowly, you will speak English fluently, naturally, confidently. If you like this audio, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Speak English Fluently. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking. Speak English Fluently channel, subscribe.